What's up, y'all? Thanks for coming through. In today's video, I'm doing my short faux locks. I'm using the Freetress Braid Prefluffed hair, and that's by Shake and Go. And I got this from my local beauty supply. It was $7.99 a pack. I ended up using one full pack and then a bundle out of another pack. So I had to purchase 2 packs. So for about $16, I was able to do my hair. So I went ahead and parted my hair in some sections just to make it easier to work with. I did have a spray bottle to spray on my hair to make it easier to part. I had about 63 braids in my hair, so that was 63 locks done. And once I got to the front, I can't even lie, I got a little lazy, so my squares in the front are a little bigger than they should be, but it's cool. I still was able to work with it, and it came out cute still. So I just take a piece of the pre-fluff hair and I split it in half to do one lock. To crochet this piece into the base of my braid, and I like to twist the end and wrap it around my knuckles a little bit just to make it easier for the crochet needle to latch onto the hair. So I'll pull the hair even on both sides. I take one end and make it longer than the other. I just kind of estimate how long I want it to be. It's no specifics. After I do that, I take the individual braid that I crocheted through and I hold that against the shorter end. Now that I have that done, I take the longer end and I use that for my wrap. So I make sure I wrap it tight around the base and then just continue to wrap it down. And once I get to the end, I pinch the end and fold it up and then wrap that piece going upward. So I went ahead and did my makeup and I finished my locks. I'm just showing you all what it looks like hanging down. I'm actually going to wear it up in a bun because remember I said I did my parts a little bigger in the front. If I wear it up in a cute little bun, you won't even tell. I'm using this Murray's Black Beeswax just to polish my edges, to come back some. I like to use this black beeswax because any edge control that I use, it leaves white residue, and I was not trying to have no flaky edges. So using this black beeswax, it make my edges look a little fuller, and it still, you know, slicks my edges back, give me a polished look. And that's that on that. I love how my hair came out, and I highly recommend using that Freetress pre-fluffed hair for any lock styles.